Yo, what's good everybody? So today's Sunday, we're just really killing some time hanging out. We're gonna go to Alt Rebel and then Buffalo Exchange. I just thought I should bring you guys along. Why not? You know, it doesn't hurt. Maybe we'll find a couple vintage tees to purchase and whatnot, but we shall see. We did get our coffee today, and the main reason of this vlog is that we do get the Travis Scotts in tomorrow. Hopefully they come in safely, and yeah, we'll see. Alright you guys, so I still have to look through these, but I did find 2 t-shirts at Alt Rebel in Vegas. What is that? I like it, it's fire. But we did find this West Choppers t-shirt, kind of similar to the 1213 t-shirt that we wear all the time. Hopefully it fits. Pretty dope in my opinion. I like how it's white with the blue hit. And then I don't remember, I think this was a Union collab, but they are asking for $50, which is kind of a lot, but it is a social justice tee. Pretty dope in my opinion. I do like the back, but Ari does not approve of the front hit. But we'll try it on. We'll see. We're gonna try on both. A cool little flannel print. I kind of just like the design to it. Hopefully it does fit. It is $15, so we'll see. Just a random brand. And then I also have this like vintage. Why do I always do this in the vlogs, man? I always drop stuff. I also have this vintage Chicago Bulls jacket, just a front hit, but they're asking $35. Not a bad price in my opinion, but we're gonna pass up on it. Pretty dope fitting room, super clean, and I like the lighting. But here's the full fit check. I'm in your 3s, Eric Emanuel shorts, little vintage tee, and then a Lost Visions hat. So yeah, if you guys want the fits with Brandon, there it is. Alright you guys, the shirt fits nice. I kind of just wish this was the white version of the tee. I just really like the back hit. The front is a little, you know, iffy, but there you guys go. You guys probably already know this t-shirt, but social justice movement, you know what I'm saying? Right, here's the West Choppers tee. I think this shirt is like $50, like I said, so this one might be a pass. I just dropped that, but this one might be a pass. But I actually really like this tee. I think it's only $15. It's a little big, but honestly, it'll probably work. I do need more like cream tees in the rotation. And then I'm just gonna throw on this flannel over it and we'll see how it fits. And here is the last item. This one's a maybe, but I don't know. I do like the flannel, I like the print. Let me know, should I cop this one? Drop a comment. Alright you guys, so we're trying on this flannel. Pretty dope in my opinion, but they don't have a size large, so I'm trying on a medium and an XL. I just really like the print. Alright you guys, let me know what you think. For $50, is this worth it? I just really like the print and the color. Honestly, really, I think it's worth it. Alright you guys, so we're at fashion show. We kind of just want to look around, and we're at this new store called Swish Studios. I might go ahead and vlog in there, but I haven't been at this mall in a really long time, and it seems like a sneaker store, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out right now. So one of my biggest regrets is selling this hat right here, and look at the price. Honestly crazy. Easy Wall. Alright, just looked at those. Do they have your size? No? We just hopped out of fashion show. Swish Studios was actually really nice, like aesthetically, and they had some really good, what'd you say? Inventory. Their inventory was really nice, but prices were a little crazy, and I didn't really like film in there because there was an employee kind of just, I think he was just curious and wondered why I had a camera, but I didn't really film in there because I felt awkward filming with him staring at me. So if you guys want to check it out, Fashion Show Mall, Swish Studios. Don't pay those prices though. They had a pair of Hyper Royals at like $550, and that's just taxing in my opinion. Honestly, blew my mind. I don't know why. It was like you could probably get them for like $400 on StockX. Maybe it's the whole like TikTok trend and people don't really know what prices to pay for sneakers. But t-shirts, we saw like Drew House and random stuff and Certified Lover Boy merchandise, but overall pretty cool if you guys are in the area and want to, you know, shop around in Vegas. But we're dipping out now. Already copped the top from Urban Outfitters. We're just gonna head home, so hopefully you guys You know what I'm saying, rocking with the vlog. Wrapping up this vlog, there is a couple of items I want to go ahead and show you guys before we go ahead and sign off on this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlogs. If you guys are, make sure to go ahead and smash the like button for me. It helps me out a lot with that YouTube algorithm. And then drop a comment on what your favorite part was in this vlog. But before you guys go ahead and blow up my Instagram asking me where did I get this flannel, I did try this on in a clip in this vlog, and this is from Zara. Retail was 50 bucks. I got this online. If I can find it, I'll go ahead and link it down below. But I was wearing this the other day, and I just feel like it's a fire flannel in my opinion. I love the two different prints that it has, and then I just really love the blue. Let me know what you guys think about this. Was this a little too pricey? I feel like maybe just a tad bit, but overall, I just really like this flannel a lot. And then with the whole blue theme, unfortunately my Travis Scott's did come in defective, which is just kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, really bummed about this. So I did hear quality control on this sneaker right here was pretty bad, but I do have a size 9.5 coming in the mail. My voice just cracked, but I do have a size 9.5 coming in the mail. But your boy was able to go ahead and scoop these things up off of Nike and the sneakers app. Very, very clean shoe in my opinion. This is a size 10.5. I'll probably be bringing this to bring it back just because I don't fit a size 10.5. I really like my Jordan 1s to be a size 9.5, maybe even a 10, but 10.5 is too big. But I was able to go ahead and scoop these up for retail. You know, Nike did bless me with the early or with the restock access, whatever sneakers app thing. But the one flaw I do have on my shoe, I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. So my shoe did come in a little defective. Unfortunately, it did come in with a little scuff mark on the toe box. I'm not too sure if you guys can really see that. All right, you guys, I know it's nothing major, but unfortunately, because I do have to let these go, the small marking might cost me a little bit. I didn't even do that myself. It literally came in from Nike like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here. If I can get some good lighting going or whatnot, but it looks way worse in person in my opinion. It doesn't look as bad on camera, but yeah, overall a very clean shoe. The only reason why I got a 10.5 because when I did the restock on the sneakers app, the 9.5s and 10s were sold out, so I just went for the 10.5, and then randomly I was able to go ahead and get them. So shout out to Nike sneakers for showing me love, and it's, you know, it's been real, it's been nice, and your boy was able to go ahead and get a major dub for once. But yeah, size 10.5, like I said, these will probably be going to a local store in Vegas, but hopefully they take them. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new here. More content is dropping very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have any video suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below in the comment box. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for all the love. Y'all have a good one. Peace.